Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Here's the front of the box. Here's like the side, and here's just some information. And on the back of the box, it just has more information. As you can see, it has 6 to 21 hours of playtime, and it also has active noise cancellation. Okay, I'll just open it up now. Okay, so let's see the paper first. Okay, this is probably like some manual or like some other stuff like that. Yeah, just a quick start guide and a warranty card. Yeah. And here's the actual Galaxy Buds themselves. As you can see, it's sound by AKG. Here's the charging port. I believe it's a USB Type C. I think this, like, the charging cable should be in here. Yeah, so it is a USB Type C. It's pretty short cable. Let's open it up. So here's like the Galaxy Buds themselves. And I'll take them out. Here's how they look. And I just go back in there. Hey guys, I also forgot to mention that there are like spare or like alternate like ear pads. It's not pads, it's like the thing that sticks on here, like the rubber bit. So in case like the original one breaks or yeah, they're not good enough for you, you can just put these on and they may be more comfortable. Yeah. So, yeah. Thanks for watching this unboxing of Galaxy Buds Live.